Hello my lovelies, it is great to be back in the kitchen and I have a nice little recipe for you today. I'm going to make Indian inspired fritters and I'm going to make them king size so you will have a complete meal. We're going to fill them with a bunch of greens and veggies so it's healthy and nutritious and it's light and it's easy to make. So let's have a quick look at the ingredients. I have 200 grams of gram flour, which is chickpea flour, and 50 grams of whole wheat flour. 250 milliliters of water, and I'm going to use a teaspoon of baking powder for a little lift, 1 egg or egg replacement if you are a vegan, a cup of frozen peas, then I have a zucchini, some spring onions, fresh ripe tomatoes, broccoli sprouts, any sprouts will do, some Greek yogurt, you can use a vegan yogurt as well, fresh mint, this is harissa paste, which is a spicy paste. I have salt, turmeric and cumin seeds. I'm going to use a bunch of ginger, loads of garlic and fresh coriander. For my batter I will need a large bowl like this one, in with the chickpea flour and a whole wheat flour. Then my spices, and you really want to season this well, so quite a bit of salt, turmeric and my seeds. Mix it in, then I'll add the egg and water. Oh, and I forgot something, a teaspoon of baking powder. So now I will grate some ginger in there, and this is a matter of taste. I want it quite spicy and full of flavor. So this is probably a tablespoon of grated ginger going in. And then for the garlic, I'm going for 2 cloves. And this as well is a matter of taste. There we go. Beautiful. Frozen peas going in as well. Fresh coriander, chop it up, add it to the mix, a handful of mint leaves, you want to roll this up and then finely chop it as well, to the bowl. If you have large tomatoes, 1 will do. I have smaller ones, so I will be having 2. And I want them in small cubes, like that. There we go. Spring onion. Now all of this is getting a little swirl. Just fold it in like that. And now I'm left with this tiny little zucchini, and I have a plan for this one. I'm going to slice it up and pan fry it separately and top my fritter with this zucchini. So I'm not adding it to the bowl. About ½ centimeter thick. Over to the stove with my batter. I'm going to fry these babies up in, I wanted to say some ghee, but I am out of ghee, so I'm probably going to use a little bit of butter. You can use some vegetable oil or coconut oil. I'm going for butter because I don't feel like having coconut flavor with this recipe. Some butter. When you're using actual butter, just be careful not to burn it. Next, I'm going to add a large scoop of my batter, like that. And now I have some space left here, which I'm going to use for my courgette or zucchini. And these need a little bit of salt. A quick peek. Yes, it's looking nice and golden brown. And this is a tricky part. You might want to use 2 spatulas, and really quick you want to flip this over like that. Look at this, gorgeous. And now my courgettes. Depending on the heat of your skillet, it will take about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Just check if they're cooked in the middle and nice and golden brown on both sides. And that's how easy this is. The fritter is done, and all we need to do now is top it with some goodies and have our dinner. In 20 minutes or less, you can have this delicious lunch or dinner, which is nutritious, comforting, filling, and super nutritious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Any suggestions for future videos or recipes are very welcome. I am on Instagram as well and on Facebook. And I really hope to see you in my next video.